everybody, my name is Elly, and this is Elly's Adventures. Today, we're flying to the Bahamas, an island known for its beautiful beaches and lovely resorts. Come explore with me. There's so many things to see and games to play. So get ready for a time full of surprises and much, much more. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Elly's Adventures.
Wonder where we'll go.
Elly's Adventures.
We're going around the globe. And now, we finally made it to the Bahamas! We start our adventures with exploring all of Atlantis Hotel. This place is so big that it would take us more than one day to enjoy all of the festivities that this hotel has to offer. People from all over the world come to vacation here all the time. And now it's our turn! Yay! Look how beautiful this place is. There's waterfalls coming out of the rocks, and the big rock turns into a cave. So I guess it's only right that we check out what's inside the cave.
Let's explore!
Do you know what these are? These are stingrays. Stingrays are known for their flat faces and are closely related to sharks. There's so many of them. Let's see what else we can find. Hey, look, everyone! Look at this big fish! This fish is called the Silver King. And they're known to be anywhere from 4 to 8 feet long.
Hold up, Elly! Wait for me!
I think we're gonna have so much fun here.
Let's go exploring! How you like the Bahamas, Elly? It's so beautiful out here, isn't it?
So beautiful.
Elly's Adventures!
I got a special surprise for you all. You all get to come with me to the Barbies Boardwalk Adventures. Everything is pink, just like my outfit. First things first, we gotta try the slide. Mission 1 accomplished. On to the next. All right, let's see if we can make it through this bubble maze. Do you know what color this seashell is? That's right, it's pink. What about this seashell color? That's right, it's yellow. Where to next? Should we go to the mermaid cave? Or the temporary tattoo shop? Tattoo it is! ready for tattoo number 2.
Everybody wanna be like Barbie. Barbie, Barbie. Everybody wanna be like Barbie. Barbie, 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 Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl living in a Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in a Barbie world.
Can someone tell me what I'm sitting on? You're right! It's a swing! I don't know anybody who doesn't love swinging on swings.
Everybody wanna be like Barbie. Barbie, Barbie. Everybody wanna be like Barbie. Barbie, 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 Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl living in a Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in a Barbie world.
Look! Barbie has a suitcase just like me. Okay, everybody. What kind of things do you think can fit in a suitcase? Can this fit in there? No. Can that fit in there? No. Can this fit in there? Yes! Good job! I waited all day for this moment, and now it's time to jump in the Barbie ball pit.
Everybody wanna be like Barbie. Barbie, Barbie. Everybody wanna be like Barbie. Barbie, 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 Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl living in a Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in a Barbie world.
We got to see the throne of Atlantis. And guess who got to sit on it? Of course, me. Now, we're finally taking a tour of the main streets in the Bahamas, where the people and the culture are so beautiful. Do you all know what a souvenir is? A souvenir is a thing you take home to remember a place you visited. Can this be a souvenir? Yes. Can this be a souvenir? Yes. Can this hot dog be a souvenir? No. It's probably best to eat it the same day you buy it.
Elly, don't be trying to get a lot of souvenirs now. We ain't got a lot of room in our luggage. Look at all these cool souvenirs.
Do you all see what I see?
I know you want to go. Bahamas.
That's right. Ice cream. Everyone's favorite. Next, we went to a place called Sugar Rush. I wonder what kind of things they have there.
I want to try some Bahama candy. Let's look what kind of candy they got.
I'm in candy heaven.
I know you want to go. Bahamas. I know you want to go. Bahamas. You know what that is? I know you want to go. It's a teddy bear, and he's
make a pit stop because my dad needed new shoes.
What color Crocs you think I should get? Purple, blue, pink, yellow, gray.
And along the way, we made some new friends.
I'll just get white. White is my favorite color anyways.
I can feel something coming.
In the Bahamas.
It's
Meet all our
dance
friends in the
time.
Bahamas. Chill with our friends in the Bahamas. We make it last in the Bahamas. In the Bahamas. Meet all our friends in the Bahamas. Chill with our friends in the Bahamas. We make it last in the Bahamas. In the Bahamas, made all our plans in the Bahamas. Chill with our friends in the Bahamas. We make it last in the Bahamas.
Go Elly, go Elly, go!
Bahamas.
If you know me, then you know it's food time.
Yay!
We got a chance to eat at the gourmet seafood house in the Bahamas. This place was so fancy, I felt like a princess.
We got a Caesar salad. The Caesar salad was so fresh. Look at how green it is. Some French fries, some garlic shrimp, some fish tacos. The fish tacos was amazing too. A seafood boil. And last but not least, a cheeseburger with more fries.
Okay, now that we're all done eating, let's get wet.
You ready to hop in the pool, Elly? Let's go!
If you're like me, you could never get tired of the water. Waterfall!
Smile for the camera.
Okay, that's it, everybody. Hope you had a fun time with me in the Bahamas. Can't wait for the next time. And before I forget, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!
Daddy's little superstar. I wanna see you grow and never be apart. You will always be Daddy's superstar.